This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by parking level and taking control. Set the vehicle parking brake and chock the trailer wheels so nothing rolls. Once secure, lower the trailer jack until it carries trailer weight. That prevents sudden drops. Now disconnect electrical plug and detach safety chains and breakaway cable so you can access the coupler. Finally, remove any stabilizer or latch pin. These steps let you unlatch the hitch safely and prepare the trailer to be separated without strain. Once the jack supports the trailer, raise the coupler latch and use the jack to lift the trailer a fraction so the tow ball clears the socket. This prevents scraping. Make sure you hold the coupler closed while an assistant slowly moves the vehicle forward 1 to 2 feet. This confirms a clean separation. After the hitch clears, retract the jack until the trailer rests on its tongue or stand, and stow the coupler cover, chains, and plug neatly so nothing drags. To finish, lower the trailer onto its stands or tongue with the jack and confirm wheel chocks and vehicle parking brake remain engaged. This prevents rollaway after you leave. Store the hitch pin, safety chains, and wiring in a secure place so reattachment is quick and clean. If the coupler is stuck, apply penetrating oil, lift slightly with the jack and wiggle the latch. If it still won't release, stop and get roadside help to avoid damaging the coupler or risking injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.